Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to set up price alerts on Coinbase. So let's get started. Number 1. Open the Coinbase app. Launch the Coinbase app on your mobile device and log into your account. Number 2. Navigate to the asset. Use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you want to set an alert for. Number 3. Select cryptocurrency. Tap on the cryptocurrency to open its details page, where you can view price information and charts. Number 4. Tap on price alerts. Look for the price alerts option, usually located below the asset's current price information. Number 5. Set your price target. Enter the price point at which you want to be notified and choose whether you want alerts for price increases or decreases. Number 6. Save the alert. Confirm your settings by tapping Save Alert or a similar button to activate the price alert. By following these steps, you can quickly set up price alerts on Coinbase. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.